Next question. But in the previous video, part 9, part 8, we explained the questions, sample papers, questions. These are 14 questions. 7 questions we explained in first part. Second part, in question number 8, we already explained same as question number 5 in previous video. So we can't explain this again because the same question. We explain question number 9. Taking the here 3, 1, 2, 3. Taking LHS, likely LCM, sin A minus cos A, sin A plus cos A. Sin A minus cos A cancel, plus same. So sin A plus cos A whole square, sin A minus cos A whole square. Because plus cancel this. Open the bracket. A square, A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, and here A is come as B square. So that is sin square A minus cos square A. A square plus B square plus 2AB for here. A square plus B square minus 2AB full cancel. This is 1. This is also 1. So 2 upon sin square A minus cos square A. This first part is proved. And from this we get the second part and third part. From the second part we want sin, not cos. So change 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A minus 1 minus plus 2 upon 2 sin square A minus 1. Sin square, 2 sin square. That's the second part. From the same, if we change, we want cos, change sin. Minus cos minus 2 cos square. Third part. Okay. Pause video down. See question number 10. When you have to see the critical terms in the question, so we solve both LHS, RHS both. We can solve LHS and we get the RHS, but in examinations don't waste time and take both. So first we take LHS. Sin same, sin cos conversion, cos A upon sin A, 1 upon sin A. Take the LCM. Sin A. So we get the sin square A upon cos A plus 1. This simplified form. Then we solve RHS. If you have any problem, you can again solve that. Sin A, cos A upon sin A, 1 upon sin A, sin same, cos minus 1, sin square A upon cos A minus 1. Combine them. So 2 cos A minus 1 plus sin square A. And you want sin square A. And here cos A plus 1. So it's the opposite. So we can convert them. Firstly, we can convert 2. This is minus common, so we get 1 minus cos A, opposite, and in place of this 1 minus cos square. Then again 1 minus cos common. And also minus sin common. So we get here 2 and minus 1 plus cos A. Here minus common. So 1 minus cos A, cancel, minus cancel. And what you get here? When you solve, you get 2 minus 1 only 1. 1 minus cos A, but we want to 1 plus cos A, multiply and divide. So 1 minus cos square A upon 1 plus cos A, that is sin square A upon 1 plus cos A. This is the value of LHS and this is the value of RHS. Okay, pause, we note down. So question 11, sec minus 1 upon sec plus 1 root, same the opposites only with the same terms. Let's say conjugates also here. So we directly take the LCM. We can write, if root x upon root y, we can write x upon root y. So take the LCM. Root sec A plus 1, root sec A minus 1. Then this cancel minus, so same term, just like root x into root x, you get x. So same, only this. Same cancel, only sec A plus 1. 1 cancel. 2 sec A. In root same, so sec plus 1, sec minus 1, sec square A minus 1. So sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So sec square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So in place of this, we can put tan square A. But we want to proving in terms of cos. So we can write 2 into 1 upon cos A, and this is only tan sin upon cos A. Cos cancel. 2 upon sin, that is 2 cos A RHS. Okay, pause video, note down. We can solve also 12th question by taking LHS RHS both, but that's your wish. We want sir always why take, we only take LHS. So let's see, cosec A minus cot A in denominator form, so we multiply them. Cosec A plus cot A by cosec A minus plus cot A, and this 1 upon sin A is same, we can write cosec A plus cot A upon cosec square minus cot square. We can write here, this is form of cosec A. This is equal to 1. So we only get cosec A plus cot A minus cosec. And in here we want 1 upon sin is separate. So this we can separate. You can say, sir, cosec cancel. Yes, you can cancel, but if you cancel them, so we can solve RHS and also same value give cot A. But we want from here cot A, so this cosec means 1 upon sin A, and here we want minus, so minus sin common, so this is the only change, cosec minus cot in bracket. So multiply by cosec plus cot upon cosec minus plus cot, multiply and divide. So 1 upon sin is same, minus same, A minus B, A plus B. Cosec square minus cot square. Denominator is same, cosec plus cot. This is 1. So we get 1 upon sin A, 1 upon cosec A plus cot A, that is RHS. Okay? Pause and note down. Same question, fifth question and eighth question, but tan sec form. So we can explain again. Tan sec form already, we have to find the RHS sec plus tan. So we can convert this one in sec tan form, that is sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Tan theta plus sec theta same as. Here we can write sec plus tan and sec minus tan. We can split them, a square minus b square. Denominator I have to no work, only note down. Tan plus sec is taken common. You can see in both terms. What remain here? 1 same and the minus sign. So we have to use the bracket for remaining these terms. And the denominator I have same, note down. I have no change here. Tan theta plus sec theta is same, note down. Open the bracket. So the sign change because minus sign is offside. So minus minus plus. Denominator same. And you can check the second bracket from the denominator. 1 minus sec plus tan. 1 minus sec plus tan is same. So cancel out. So we get the value of RHS. Okay. Very simple question. Pause, we note down. So see question 14. X and y value was given and want to prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Only put the value of x and y. A sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. A cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Open it, a plus b whole square. So a square whole, okay, b square plus 2 a b, here same, a square plus b square plus 2 a b. Then we can write a square sin square theta, b square cos square theta, here I think question have to some mistake. This is the minus sign, because if this is not minus, so question is not solved. That's a misprint. So this is a minus. So this whole is cancelled. 2ab sin cos, 2ab sin cos, because all are in product form. That's like 2 into a into b into sin into cos. So they all are in product. Same things to cancel out. And here's a square cos square theta, b square sin square theta. There is a misprint in question, might be possible. So here and here a square common, so we get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here b square common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is 1, this is 1, so a square into 1, b square into 1, we get a square plus b square is the RHS. So this is the whole solution of your question paper. Also we note down.